Hey, hi guys, this is Ajay again. So actually for this video which I'm going to demonstrate, how to kill the bedbugs. Yesterday last night, so I just tried with a new remedy and that really is success to kill the bedbugs. And and front of, I will show you, I will demonstrate that one. So really, I was surprised yesterday, the last night, when I just sprayed in 2 seconds, the bedbugs died. So I was surprised, and so let's go. I will show you how to kill and how to make that remedy to kill that bedbugs. Even though, okay, and today in the afternoon, actually, pest control people came to my room and they actually sprayed in our room, but still I found some bedbugs, so I just is there. So we'll go there and I will show the bed box and as well how to make that remedy. So I'll show you how to make the medicine. You can say the remedy or medicine, whatever it is you can call. That is, no need to more cost to put it outside. If you go and going for the pest control and so it will be take too much expensive. But so this is cost is nothing actually, and which is we are regularly using. That is the things we can use and just we can kill the bed bugs. So let's go. I'll show you how to kill the bed bugs. Right. So guys, actually, what we need to make this remedy to kill the bed bugs. Okay, and first of all, actually, we need, in the market you will get the spray gun, which you want the spray gun. This is maybe if you go in 1 2 3 supermarket, it's for it will be for 1 dirham or 2 dirhams, so you will get. And there is some clean water, only water, it's normal water, it's not like hot water or something, no selling water, it's normally tap water, it's nothing in there. So I already choose it. It is depending on you guys how much you want. If you want more water, you can put more water, you can want less and less. It's up to you how you want to use this. Okay, and I took some water only for the demonstration purpose. So this is a spray bottle and spray gun, it's everyone knows, and you need a clean water. And the next thing, regularly we are using for the detergent powder, the one. And the third thing you want, a Dettol. This cost will be 5 dirhams. You will get in a small Dettol. This one will be 5 dirhams only. So in these two things, it is Dettol and detergent, and normally water, and these things, so we can kill the bedbugs. I know most of the people, maybe you guys will be laughing, how can kill this with the detergent and the Dettol, but I'm telling you guys, it's really sure you can kill the bedbugs with these two things. So okay, I'm going to mix now. So at a spoon, it is depending on you guys how much you want to be to make, but okay, I'm sorry. So the spoon is very bigger, maybe a corn, I don't know, but yeah, let me try, but I know it will be good on also falling down. It's okay, no problem, I will. It's maybe 2 spoons, it's okay, but the nozzle is very smaller, so that's why I'm taking more, but the spoon is bigger. I'm sorry, actually I'm not ready to do this, but not prepared, but I have a thought, so I wanted to share with you guys. That's why I just taking a quick video. Okay, and this is it's okay, but if you want to add more, it's more. It's how much you will add that is good for you. If you make more, so using more, it means more stronger. If you want, you can use how much you want it, that will be make stronger. So I paused the video guys to open it. Okay, and you just take this one as before I told you, how much you want like stronger, you can use more. So we just put, and if you want more and just use more, it's not that much of cost guys, so you can use more. It's fine. But our detergent, this is little bit smelly, that is Dettol, everybody knows, but it's okay, it's not that much smelly. And of course we are using detergent powder, so that will be good. That also very good smell, it's not bad. So I will keeping it on side. So 1 second, let me clean this chair and then I will show you how to kill. And okay, it's ready, and just shake a little bit to mix the detergent powder to normally. Okay, it's okay. And then I kept here some bedbugs for you guys to see. So here is a live bedbugs. So you can see here, it's very fast, it's running, and just spray it. It's running, and this also. See here one. Just spray, and here one more, it's running, and here one more, it's running. And here, okay. And see guys, the first one here, which I sprayed, and the second one here, and the third one is here, and the fourth one is here. So guys, see, when I spray with this one which we made with the detergent powder and the Dettol, see guys, it is, I hope so, it's I told you, within 2 seconds it will be dead. Okay, in front of you it was actually running, but now see guys, this is dead. Okay, you can see it's not moving, and before it was very fast and quick running. Okay, they are trying to run away, but still, see. And this is the one, see guys, oh, and see. And the fourth one is here. There's 4 bedbugs guys. See, it's dead. Now it's no moving, no legs moving, no moving. You can see guys, these 4 bedbugs, and within 2 seconds, I can say 2 seconds, it's okay, it's completely dead. Even the pest control people will come and the room was very smelly and they will do something, but after it's still alive. But this bedbugs also, it's after pest control done in my room, and still I found the bedbugs in the wall, and I took in the bottle because of for this demonstration, so I kept in the bottle. See, now I sprayed in front of you, so it's all dead. I think it's nice remedy how to kill the bedbugs. Hope you guys, if you have any problems in your room or in your workplace, any place, anywhere, to how to control the bedbugs, how to kill the bedbugs, so this is the video will help you. I think, I hope so, it will help you. Thank you very much. Bye.